Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to stop automatic ads on any Android phone. Whenever you are using any app, an ad appears on your phone screen every after few minutes, which is very irritating. And if you are tired of doing all settings, still ads are coming on your phone screen, then watch this video till end. And after doing all the settings, I will tell you ads will never appear on your phone screen again. And all these settings will be for every phone, whether you have Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Realme or OnePlus. So watch this video till end and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all I will tell you some general settings which you probably know about. Then I will take you to main settings. And after doing those settings, ads will never appear on your phone screen. But guys, remember one thing. Don't miss the last 3 settings. Otherwise, there will be no benefit watching this video because those 3 settings are master settings, right? So first of all, you have to open phone setting, then go to about phone. If you have MI phone, you will see this option MIUI version. If you have other phone like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus or Realme, you will see one option called software information or version. Go to that option and tap your finger on build number for 6 to 7 times. If you have MI phone, you have to tap your finger on MIUI version like this. Then go to main setting page and scroll down and you will see developer option here. If you don't see developer option here, then go to additional setting and you will see developer option. Click on it and on this page there is a very important setting. This one, allow screen overlays on setting. Turn off this setting, then go to main setting page for next setting. Now you have to go to connection and sharing, then go to private DNS. You will see this interface. If you don't find this setting, then do one thing, go to main setting page and type DNS in the search box. Then you will see private DNS, click on it and same interface will open. On this page you have to click on private DNS provider host name and then you have to type dns.adguard.com in this box, then click on save, then come back to main setting page for next setting, right? And just scroll down and this time you have to click on password and security, then click on privacy, just scroll down and click on ad services and you will see this setting personalized ad recommendation. If you don't find this setting, then go to main setting page and type ADS ads in the search box. You will see ad services, right? You have to turn off this setting, then come back and go to home page and for next setting you have to open Chrome browser, right? Once you open Chrome browser, go to right top corner and click on these 3 dots, then click on settings, just scroll down and click on site settings, again scroll down and come to this section, content section. In this section, first option is third party cookies. Click on it and change this option from allow third party cookies to this third option, block third party cookies. Then come back and this time you have to click on pop-ups and redirects and turn off this setting. Then come back and now you have to click on intrusive ads. This setting also you have to turn off. After doing all this setting, come back to home page and long press on Chrome browser and then release your finger, then click on this I button and then go to notification and turn off all notifications, right? And for next setting, again you have to open phone setting and just scroll down and go to Google. This Google setting you can find in every phone, right? Go to Google and on this page first option is ads. Click on it and you will see these 2 options. Reset advertising ID, delete advertising ID. First of all, you have to click on reset advertising ID, then click on confirm, then click on delete advertising ID, right? And delete it. Then come back to this page. On this page, you will see this button, manage your Google account and you can see your Gmail ID, right? Click on this button and this interface will open. On this page, you have to click on data and privacy. Then just scroll down and you will see one option here, my ad center, right? You have to click on my ad center and this kind of interface will open. On this page you will see this button personalized ad, which is on. Click on this button and then click on turn off, then click on got it. If you have more than one Gmail ID in your phone, then you have to do same thing for another Gmail ID, right? Click here and select your another Gmail ID. Again go to data and privacy, just scroll down and click on my ad center, and then click on this personalized ad button and turn off this setting. If you have more than one Gmail ID in your phone and you are doing this setting for one Gmail ID only, then there is no benefit doing this, because still you will get ads on your phone screen. So you have to check how many Gmail ID you have logged in your phone. If you have more than one Gmail ID, then one by one you have to select your Gmail ID, go to data and privacy, then go to this option my ad center and turn off this setting, right? And after doing this setting in all your Gmail ID, come back to home page, and next setting you have to do in Play Store. So open Play Store in your phone, then go to right top corner and click on your profile picture, then click on manage apps and device, then click on manage. On this page you have to click on this install button and you will see this option not installed. Click on not installed and you will see many apps here also. All these apps I had used and uninstalled from my phone long ago, but still these apps are here. These apps consume phone battery and internet as well, and due to these apps you see ads on your phone. So what you have to do, you have to select all these apps, then click on this recycle button, then click on remove. Once you delete all these apps, then come to home page. If you have more than one Gmail ID in your phone, then do the same thing for another Gmail ID. Again click on your profile picture, click on this drop down menu and select your another Gmail ID, right? Then again click on profile picture, click on manage apps and device, click on manage, click on install button, then click on not installed, and then select all apps, right, like this. Click on this recycle button and then remove all apps from here. You have to do this setting for all Gmail ID, right? Now you have to do one last setting in your phone to remove lock screen ad, this one. For that, first of all you have to lock your phone, and then at the bottom of the screen you have to swap your finger in right side like this, and this interface will open. On this page click on you, then click on settings. It will ask password. Just type your password and this interface will open. You have to turn off this setting. After that you won't see any ad on your lock screen. After doing all these settings, you have to restart your phone, and please don't forget to restart your phone. Then automatic ads will never appear on your phone screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.